You guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I post weekly videos about plants that I like to eat and grow and cooking different kinds of Asian food. I post every week, so please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. I'm so excited to receive this package in the mail and share with you what I've been waiting patiently for. It looks so tightly packed in here. I'm so impressed with how many leaves my friend packed into this box. I cook a lot of Southeast Asian food that requires the use of Kaffir lime leaves and part of the fruit as well, and as a result, I'm in constantly short supply. If you haven't checked out my How to Germinate Kaffir Lime Seeds Successfully video, I'll put the link in the description box below. But in that video, I'm trying to grow my own trees from seeds, so hopefully one day I'll have an unlimited supply. The Kaffir lime, also known as Citrus hystrix or makrut, is a citrus tree. The tree is thorny and can reach over 15 feet in height if you grow it in the ground. It's highly valued for its fragrant leaves and zest, widely used in Southeast Asian cooking to impart intense citrusy and floral flavors and aromas into dishes. Here on the East Coast, it's quite hard to find in the grocery stores, but if you do, the prices are marked ridiculously high, and more often than not, the quality isn't that great. And that's why many Thai, Lao, and Cambodian families I know have at least one tree growing in a pot in their home. There's one thing we understand, which is that there is something quite special about this aromatic lime tree, and some foods just won't be the same without it. At the moment, the whole room I'm in is perfumed with an incredible citrusy and floral smell. I haven't even processed them yet. So a little bit about the Kaffir lime leaves. You can recognize them by their double lobes. They are dark green with a glossy sheen on the top, and on the bottom side they appear pale and matted. I'll start by processing these leaves and preparing them for storage. Let's wash these guys by rinsing them nicely, twice. I'll also scrub off any dirt I see. The leaves can vary in size from less than an inch to several inches in length. When referring to the Kaffir lime plant, the leaves are usually what comes to mind because they are more commonly used than the fruit. Kaffir lime leaves are used in food across many different applications, from robust curries to refreshing salads to soups and flavorful stir-fries. They can be stored in the fridge for up to a week, but anything beyond that, you'd want to place them in a freezer bag and into the freezer. They freeze really well and maintain freshness for many months. Here I'm doing just that because there's no way I'll be using all of these right away. Green happens to be my favorite color, and what I'm seeing here is making me so happy right now. I love plants, especially ones that I can cook with, and to see the creation of nature here right in front of me, I am in awe. It's absolutely perfect and I can't wait to use them all. As for Kaffir Lime fruits, they also come in various sizes. The fruit when younger is darker green and roundish. As the fruit matures, the color becomes lighter and eventually yellow. The rind is uniquely bumpy and wrinkly and can look like a brain in my opinion. It's mostly sought after for its zest, which is grounded into curry paste for its intense citrusy flavor and aroma. I'll be showing you in another video exactly how I process the fruits, so please look out for that video. I am overjoyed with all of the possibilities of dishes that I can prepare with these. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and learned a little bit about why this plant is so special to me and many others. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for weekly videos. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe everyone.